You've already learned how to activate auto-tracking so that every time any user goes to any screen in your app, a hit is recorded and sent to Google Analytics. While you're learning how to add analytics to your app, it's fine to have auto-tracking enabled. It's gratifying to see the hits coming in the dashboard. But if your app gets wildly popular, and if you've got auto-tracking enabled, then that's going to be a lot of screen hits that get sent. In fact, it could be too many hits, and you might run into quota limits. If your app exceeds its quota limits, excess hits will not be counted. You can read about quota limits in the developer docs. The main point to understand is that it's often better to specifically track what you want to track rather than enabling auto-tracking across all activities. It's easy enough to disable auto-tracking for all activities. Simply set GA Auto Activity Tracking to false in the config file for your tracker. And then, instead, to track when users go to a specific screen, you can send a screen view hit. Like this. You add the code to onStart, then you get the tracker. Hopefully you know how to do that now. You can set the screen name on the tracker with set screen name, and then you send the hit calling build on hitbuilders.screenviewbuilder. And you'll need to make sure that your app has the right imports. You're going to need the tracker class, and you're going to need the hitbuilders class. For all hits that are sent, you still get the geo information, the device info, the engagement details, and all that other good stuff. Okay, go ahead and try it now. In the tracker config file, set GA Auto Activity Tracking to false. Then pick an activity in your app and add the code to the onStart method to send a hit. So here, I'm tracking hits to show recipe. So I'm in the show recipe activity. It's my onStart method. And you can see I set my screen name to show recipe screen. And here's the code to send the hit. And then, of course, run your app and try it out. You can look in the logs to see that your hit gets sent when you go to that screen. See, there's my hit, but not when you do anything else in the app. And then, of course, don't forget to check your analytics dashboard. And then come here and check the boxes.